Shopify POS, a revolutionary way to sell in-store. In the past, physical stores have been at a disadvantage compared to e-commerce businesses. With Shopify POS, that is no longer the case. Now you can take advantage of all the features that have made Shopify one of the leading e-commerce platforms and use them in your brick and mortar store. Let's take a look at what Shopify POS is and how it can help you revolutionize the way you sell. Shopify POS is an application that allows you to use Shopify in your physical store. With Shopify POS, you can connect your Shopify account to a hardware register and start selling right away. There's no need for complex integrations or expensive contracts. Everything you need is right there in the app. Plus, with Shopify POS, you get all the features that make Shopify such a powerful e-commerce platform, like inventory management, customer profiles, automatic tax calculations, and more. Click below to get your questions answered personally. Another great thing about Shopify POS is that it works seamlessly with your other Shopify applications. For example, if you're using Shopify shipping to fulfill your orders from your online store, well, you can easily add those orders to your in-store queue so that they're ready to be picked up by customers as soon as they come in. And if you're using Shopify's built-in payment system, you can track all of your sales, both online and offline, in one place. Shopify POS is a game changer for brick and mortar stores. It allows you to take advantage of all the features that make Shopify such a powerful e-commerce platform and use them in your physical store. With Shopify POS, you can streamline your operations, offer a better customer experience, and sell more products than ever before. If you're looking for a way to take your store to the next level, look no further than Shopify POS. Click on the link below and get a one-on-one demonstration. Check it out. Yeah.